Security is one of the biggest strengths of Linux, and Zorin OS 18 comes prepared with strong protection features already built in. In this guide, we're going to enable and understand two important security layers. The firewall, which guards your computer from unwanted connections over the internet or local networks, and AppArmor, which ensures the apps running on your system behave safely and cannot go beyond what they're allowed to do. All of this can be done with simple clicks. No technical knowledge required. Start with the firewall. Zorin OS includes a very user-friendly firewall tool that keeps strangers from accessing your device when you're online. All you need to do is open your Applications menu, search for the firewall settings, and turn this data switch to on. With that one move, Zorin begins blocking suspicious or unwanted network access in the background. This protection is especially important on public Wi-Fi connections like cafes or airports, because you never know what kind of devices might be connected alongside yours. Inside the firewall window, you'll also see an area for rules. Rules help you decide which apps or services can communicate over the network. Most users don't need to change anything here. Zorin is already secure by default. Only advanced users who want to host something like a remote login or a small home server would add a rule. A simple rule to follow. If you don't clearly understand a rule, you don't need it. Leaving the firewall clean and simple keeps security stronger and maintenance effortless. Next is AppArmor, a security system that works on a completely different layer. Where the firewall protects your system from outside connections, AppArmor protects your system from the inside. Every application has limits on what it can do. For example, a web browser can access the internet and your downloads, but it shouldn't suddenly start editing system files or accessing sensitive folders it has nothing to do with. AppArmor enforces those boundaries quietly in the background, so even if an app is compromised by malware, it can't step outside its lane. The clever part is that you don't need to configure AppArmor or tweak any complicated settings. Zorin OS already has important apps secured from the moment you start using it. Modern browsers, core system tools, and key background services are all watched and restricted so they can do their job safely without putting you at risk. AppArmor doesn't get in your way. Most users never notice it, but it's always working to protect your files and system stability. Putting both tools together gives you two layers of defense. The firewall blocks what shouldn't reach you from the outside world, and AppArmor stops misbehaving apps from causing trouble on the inside. It's like having strong locks on all the doors and windows, and at the same time making sure guests inside your home can't wander into rooms they shouldn't enter. With these protections active, your Zorin OS 18 experience becomes far more secure without changing how you use your computer. That's all it takes to bring a solid level of security to your Linux setup. Many users never look into these settings, but you just turned on and understood two major defense systems with a few simple steps. In future videos, we'll explore more ways to protect your files, improve privacy, and keep your device running smoothly, including backups, encryption, safe browsing, and app management tips. Stay tuned for more Zorin OS 18 guides and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a secure operating system.